See how your people. The sidekick Bulldozer, yeah? Yes, the sidekick Bulldozer. You can't believe she come talk all these things that unbelievable. But you hear sidekick Bulldozer come talk, you know. Yeah. Knowledge of power, yeah? Knowledge of power. Don't follow these people. Them take the country and them wreck it. And then them say, we remember, you know, if the country are going good, I can't tell you this. Me a one man, me no do foolishness. Number, all right. Let me show you so the country now going good. If the country are going good, let me make a gate for your prime minister because you won't believe in the lie where Andrew say, right? But Andrew just tell you no. Say Andrew try to tell you the truth of the country now going good yet, but he might do it in a style. If him have the country for 2 terms and it are going good, Andrew wanna come tell you this. Listen for yourself. I'm gonna move something and put it up there, so. I'm gonna move that and put it up there, so.